Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a BMW door handle. Start by parking on a level surface and disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical issues. Next, identify whether you have an outer or inner handle and confirm the door trim style. Gather tools like Torx bits, trim pry tools, and a T30 driver. Work patiently and keep fasteners organized to make reassembly straightforward and avoid losing small clips or screws. Begin by removing visible screws in the armrest, door pull, and behind small covers. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the panel away from the door, releasing clips without cracking them. Carefully lift the panel to avoid catching wires, then disconnect any electrical connectors for switches or speakers. Handle the panel with 2 hands and set it in a safe place to avoid scratching while you access the handle mechanism inside the door cavity. Locate the handle mechanism inside the door and detach any moisture barriers blocking access. Remove linkage clips and unbolt the handle from the door skin, then ease the old handle out through the access opening. Fit the replacement handle, secure bolts to factory torque feel, and reconnect linkage rods with their clips. Test the latch, lock, and interior release to ensure smooth operation before replacing the door panel and reconnecting the battery to finalize the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.